Today we're going to take you to a brand new shopping mall that just opened in Tokyo on April 20th called the Ginza 6. These iconic pumpkin-shaped balloons are designed by famous Japanese artist Yayoi Kusama, and they will be displayed for one whole year. This is a very high-end shopping mall with a lot of famous brands, but today we're just going to concentrate on the food. So in the basement of this shopping mall, like many other shopping malls in Japan, there's a food area. We notice a lot of different types of desserts. We notice that there are a lot of new brands that we've never seen before. They're bringing in a lot of different products into the mix, some foreign, some local. Japan is already really well known for its variety, but what's better than variety? More variety. These look like cakes, but they're actually sandwiches. Interestingly, this shopping mall also has a traditional Japanese theater in the basement. They're trying to incorporate the modern and the traditional, attracting both young people and older people as well. They're also attracting nature and art lovers. They have contemporary Japanese art everywhere. They also have a digital installation of waterfall, as well as a living canyon that's made with plants. On the 1st to 5th floor, you'll find a lot of fashion brands and some lifestyle brands. On the 6th floor, you'll find a bookstore, a lot of cafes and restaurants. On the 13th floor, you'll find more restaurants and lounges. They have so many different restaurants here that it will take you a long while before you can try them all. So this mixology salon is quite interesting. They serve cocktails using tea leaves. They call them tea tails. They also have a panoramic view of the entire city of Ginza. It's absolutely breathtaking. You can also see the Tokyo Tower and Sky Tree from this shopping mall. Another great place to go is the rooftop. It is a non-smoking area, but if you need to smoke, you can go to the smoking room on the 13th floor. It is essentially an oasis in the middle of the concrete jungle. Japanese people love to be close to nature. They like to incorporate nature in all their designs, and this is definitely a great example. So you can just come here to chill, relax, breathe in the fresh air, and also the beautiful view. You'll also be able to find a shrine at one side of the rooftop, which is very cool. Overall, we love this shopping mall. It's beautiful. It is an amazing space. There's something for everyone.